Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will discuss BMW X6. The BMW X6 features a distinct and aggressive exterior design. It's characterized by its coupe-like roofline, which gives it a sleek and sporty appearance. The large kidney grille, muscular body lines, and bold M badging all contribute to the vehicle's commanding presence on the road. Inside the X6, you'll find a luxurious and well-appointed cabin. High-quality materials, such as premium leather and carbon fiber trim, are used throughout. The seats are supportive and comfortable, and the driver's cockpit is designed with a focus on ergonomics and driver engagement. The rear seat space is reasonable, but the sloping roofline may limit headroom for taller passengers in the rear. BMW has equipped the X6 with a wealth of advanced technology features. It typically includes a large touchscreen infotainment system with the latest version of BMW's iDrive software. This system is user-friendly and supports smartphone integration via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Navigation, a premium sound system, and a wide range of driver assistance features are also available, making the X6 a tech-savvy SUV. The BMW X6M is known for its impressive performance capabilities. It is typically powered by a robust twin-turbocharged V8 engine, producing around 600 to 617 horsepower, depending on the specific model and trim level. The X6M offers exhilarating acceleration with 0 to 60 miles per hour times of just around 3.7 to 3.8 seconds. This makes it one of the quickest SUVs on the market. The vehicle's sport-tuned suspension, adaptive dampers, and M-specific brakes contribute to its exceptional handling and cornering abilities.